video, today we know about how many bundles of shingles do I need for a 8 by 10 foot shed roof. Here you have the dimension of shed roof, that is 8 foot by 10 foot, and shingles material are used for roof covering, and the quantity of bundles of shingles required to cover shed roof depends on many factors like the size of roof, the size of roof pitch, construction requirement, and the number and types of shingles per bundle. First, we here make a rough diagram to understand about the shed roof and roof covering with shingles material. This one is a rough diagram to understand about the roof covering. This one is overhang, that is roof covering, and here is the shingles material are put down in different pattern. And what will be the roof size? Roof size generally is not equal as the dimension of the shed roof. It means the overhang length is approximately about 1 foot each sides. That's why you take 2 foot overhang length for the roof structure. It means the roof size will increase by 8 by 10 foot. You just add 2 foot in both dimension. That one, that is here 10 foot and that is 8 foot. You just need 2 foot in both dimension. That's why it will come about 10 multiply 12 foot. And another factor, the total square footage area of the roof size depends on the roof pitch. What will be roof pitch or slope of roof? Suppose that will be 6 by 12 inches. This one is rise and that will be run. For that roof pitch 6 by 12, you should use one thing that is known as multiplier. You have to multiply it. For the roof pitch 6 by 12, multiplier is 1.118. And first figure out total square footage of roof structure. Total square footage of this roof size, that is 10 by 12. This will come about 120 square foot, and multiply that one with multiplier for the roof pitch. That's why total square footage 120 multiply by 1.118, that will come about 134 square footage of the area for the roof size. And some shingles material are damaged during transportation, storage, and installation. It roughly we take about 10% for the wastage. 10% for this square foot is about 14. Add this 134. After adding, this will come about 148 square footage area. It means you have to cover 148 square footage roof structure with shingles material. And you know that each bundles of shingles cover about 33 square footage area. Each bundles of shingles cover about 33 square footage area. And to figure out how many bundles of shingles are required, then numbers of bundles of shingles required to cover the roof structure, you just need to divide total square footage 148 by 33. That will come about 4.48 bundles. Round this figure, it is equal as 5 bundles. It means you need 5 bundles of shingles material approximately to cover 8 by 10 foot shed roof. Thank you.